Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to show you how I recently waterproofed my day shelter slash bivvy for carp fishing. So I've had this for a while and I haven't used it. I thought it was a good idea to re-waterproof it. So I've got some awning and tent waterproofer. You can buy this at any good DIY store. And the instructions say to wear gloves and eye protection. So I started off by spraying all of the vulnerable areas like the seams and just making sure to get plenty of the liquid all over the seams. And along the back too, and where the window is. Just good to have the peace of mind when you're night fishing that your tent's not going to start dripping water through. And this solution is only cheap anyway, so it's well worth doing. So then I moved on to the main areas and just made sure that everything was covered. And I let that soak in for 2 or 3 minutes. Then I came back with an old sock. You can just use a piece of rag, whatever. And I started to just rub it all in. And this not only removes any excess, but it just helps to rub everything into every part of the tent. Helps to do this on a nice dry sunny day. So then once the tent was dry, it was ready to go. So if you found this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more fishing related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.